Welcome to Tool Zone. We've curated a brilliant mix of clips where seasoned pros handle their tools like artists. With unbelievable accuracy and control, watch the magic unfold as perfection takes shape before your eyes. When the fish are biting, skilled anglers can reel in yellowfin tuna with ease. Who needs geometry lessons when you can just eyeball it and saw a perfect circle like this guy? Just how inventive can restaurant service get? This clip proves the answer might surprise you, especially when the team embraces fresh, out-of-the-box ideas. She's pure magic, no doubt about it. Just look at the way she handles those dishes behind the bar. Every move is smooth, precise, and totally mesmerizing, like watching a performance. Sure, you can paint with brushes, spray cans, even your fingers, but this guy went way beyond that with a method no one could have imagined. When raw creativity meets genius, you get art you simply can't stop staring at. When you see all the intricate steps behind shoemaking, you realize every pair is a mini engineering feat in disguise. This pipe feels like it goes on forever, doesn't it? You have to admire his intuitive touch and skill in working through the wood so precisely. Watching this guy work, you just want to shout, "Protect your hands, man. You've only got one set." After a shift like that, his fingers probably dream of unscrewing themselves and taking a long vacation. Why is it so irresistibly sticky? If you've got a sweet tooth, resisting temptation in a job like this will be nearly impossible. When fish get treated to an all-you-can-eat feast, this is what it looks like. A frenzy of splashes, swirling water, and a storm of happy fins. Honestly, they look more satisfied than we do after a trip to the buffet. And look at this, grass sprouting right from beneath the tiles. It's artificial, but honestly, does that make it any less cool? Watching the shuttlecocks being methodically placed into glass molds is like witnessing a flawless routine. Every move is so precise, it's oddly relaxing. Drilling perfect holes in tiles or cutting angled slots in walls might look tough, but for skilled workers, it's just another opportunity to shine. And the tiling afterwards, just as precise. These curves aren't a coincidence of nature. They're the result of meticulous craftsmanship. Judging by the woodworker's finesse, he's clearly shaping something extraordinary, perhaps a musical instrument filled with soul and character. People may have mixed feelings about street art, but no one can deny it takes serious effort and skill. A special treat for everyone who can't resist a stack of pancakes. Here's a quick tip on how to neatly cut the inner corners of ceiling strips. Gravity? These motorcyclists must have skipped that class. How else do you explain them riding straight up a vertical cliff like it's a Sunday cruise, while racing each other to the top? Everything back in place, tools down, and boom, she's whole again, gleaming like she just left the factory. That smooth gloss, that mirror finish. This isn't just a car, it's a beauty reborn. Using a spray gun, the surface is quickly coated in green paint, covering it efficiently. The ceiling of the building is stripped of its old layer of paint using a trowel. The way color is applied to these cakes is pure elegance, making each one a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. You couldn't replicate it even if you tried. Every swirl is uniquely beautiful. This butcher clearly knows his craft. Working with meat takes precision and expertise, and with that sharp blade, he handles it like a seasoned professional. Small tool, big impact. After some precise work, this machine looks brand new, like it just rolled off the production line. Flawless down to the last detail. Dreaming of flawless steps, this craftsman builds them so elegantly and precisely, you might mistake the staircase for a sculptural masterpiece. Now you've seen how to build a stylish storage ottoman with your own two hands, why not add a personal touch to your home? This pizza isn't just food, it's edible artwork. With every layer and topping, the pizzaiolo shows just how much passion goes into each creation.